Welcome back, students. So let's discuss the notice writing with one more example. The part of short composition which carries 3 marks. Word limit 50 words. So now this time we have taken another example here. Before going to the example, let us know about a question here. So the question is, in this way it is given here that you are Srishti Talwar, ex-student of which school? Here written Horizon Public School. Ex-students of this and this school, Horizon Public School, has started 6 scholarships, and you are the ex-students of this and this school had started 6 scholarships in memory of her father. Srishti Talwar, ex-student of Horizon Public School, has started 6 scholarships in the memory of her father, Shri Kailashnath Singh. This and this one. Draft a notice in not more than 50 words inviting worthy students or the eligible students to give their names for consideration for the scholarship. So this is your question, that as a principal that you are writing a notice for what? Inviting the students with their applications, eligible students for scholarships. So this is your topic. See now, as usual the format is same. First of all, we need to mention the name of the institution or the school name, organization name which we have mentioned here. That is Horizon Public School, in bold letters, capital letters in the center of your page. Then coming to the word notice. Next line the word notice in the center. Now here up to the notice, then the next line at the left side as usual date. For instance here, for example, I wrote 11th of February 2000 this and this one. Write the date. Today we are writing, so write today's date. Clear? And then next line, when you write the date, after that next line of that date, coming to the topic. What is the topic or the subject? Regarding scholarships. So write scholarship written here. So here it will consume your 4 to 5 lines here, this part. And as I told you that this is the part of your format. This the school name, then word notice, then date, then your topic, subject, and the last finally writer's name and your designation plus making a box. So this is the part of your format which carries 1 mark out of 3. Now coming to the content and expression. Content 1 mark and expression 1 mark. So we have started here Miss Srishti Talwar. As a principal we are writing. So inviting the students with their applications. So Miss Srishti Talwar, alumni of our school or of the school, who is she? Ex-student of our school, alumni of the school, and now she is working as the production engineer. As the production engineer, NASA in USA has instituted what she has taken the initiative there, or has instituted worth rupees 2000 per month, 2000 month for 1 year. What? For 1 year in the memory of her father, memory of her late father, in the memory of her father she has instituted worth rupees 2000 per month for 1 year of her father for students of which category? For the students of standard 8 to 9. Clearly that we have mentioned here. Which students that they will they can apply or they will send their details? The students of standard 8 to 9. Students having what? Students having all-round excellence. Category we have mentioned students of 8 to 9. Then eligibility criteria, then that we have to mention the criteria. Students having all-round excellence. Clear? All-round excellence in which fields? In sports, dramatics and extracurricular activities. Sports, dramatics and extracurricular activities that will be considered for these scholarships. 6 scholarships that she has started. The students that who are having excellence in sports, dramatics and extracurricular activities that will be considered for this scholarship. This is what the criteria, eligibility criteria that we have mentioned. Next, eligible students. Then the eligible students, worthy students, must send their applications to whom? To the vice principal. To the vice principal, latest by, and the date, by which date we have to mention, till which date? Latest by 15th of February. Today is 11th. For example, today is 11th February, so till 15th of February, this and this one, giving all the necessary details or the relevant details that the students that they must send their applications, or they must send their applications to the vice principal. See now, we have mentioned all these necessary details here in our content. Who has initiated? We have started this and this one. Who is she? That's alumni of our school, ex-students of our school, and now working as this and this one, her designation. And what she has started? That she had started this and this one, the scholarship of rupees 2000 per month there for 1 year, and which students? Standard 8 to 9th, and then eligibility criteria, those who are excellence in sports, dramatics and the extracurricular activities. Eligible students must send their applications to the vice principal of the school, latest by this and this date we have mentioned, and all these things. So children, I mean to say that we need to mention the details, all these details, that the reader the reader should come to know that the notice is about this and this one, all the details, but in short. And finally, once again, that we will make a box for this notice here, as usual. We need to keep it in a box. So this is what our notice writing. So children, in this way we have discussed here this example of notice writing.